Greetings, friends. Welcome to my new video. Today I am presenting Canva, a platform where you can create your logos, YouTube thumbnails and many other things. There are also many templates to choose from. For instance, if I want to make a thumbnail of a gaming video, I search for gaming thumbnail. And there are many options. Some of these are paid, but most of them are also free. Once you select a template, you can also customize it to your liking. You can rewrite, add some more elements, and when you are done, you can download it for free, and its quality is also very good without any cost. Here you can see the quality. I hope you enjoyed the video, so like the video, subscribe my channel and don't forget to subscribe my channel.